I tried drinking water, but I pissed the bed. Tried holding my breath and I passed out instead. Nothing here is working, not a thing that I can do about these goddamn hiccup blues. Asked a friend to scare me, when he did, I shot him dead. Cops put me in handcuffs, that's murder, they said. It's all a big mistake, that's something I would never do if not for these goddamn hiccup blues. But I've never been a violent man, I wouldn't hurt a fly or even try. Always walked the straight and narrow, never broke the law or told a lie. Tried to testify on my behalf, but I kept picking up. The jury read the verdict, they said life isn't enough. I've been sent to the gallows in the shadow of the noose, 'cause of these goddamn hiccup blues. Alright. My time is up, according to the clock. Stepped out on the platform as my knees began to knock. They asked for my last words, I tried to think of something quick, but all that I could say was, I've always been a mama's boy, I couldn't even watch old Yeller die. Following a peaceful path, when Luke's hand was cut off, I almost cried.